Hi guys, so remember, this is part 2. I was doing my, I was just talking to you. Okay, I'm gonna do my hair. Because part 2 is already 11 minutes, but it's too long. Childish. So, my mom cut my hair in the salon. Comment below if you like my hair tall or short. I still get jealous. Real. That akong childhood crush is not. I didn't see him anymore. Long na dyan may wala mag-see. But you're actually a fake friend, Ambot lang nimo. I'm angry at you na. Pisag na. Mistika? Angry na nung I can't believe na mean ka. You're the meanest of all. Char. Ano po na kung pa-char-char. Di ba to real, right? So, pag padung na kong school, ako ka-video. So, in order yun akong care, basta mag-practice of dance. Hipos. So, some of you says, like, kung ubang my friends doesn't believe I'm always honor award. Ka-3 ha, leadership. Not lying. Dito. Tinuod to. Ako atong pangan dito. Ano, where should I have it? Nga, dili ako pangan. Kinsa man dili pangan. He's back. Okay. So, my blush, you can't see my blush. Oh, it's okay. I'm gonna do it again. Blush. Oops. Oh, my feet hurts. Nakatong depression ako sa una. Sa school, I mean. Na-crush na ako sa school. I miss you. But ko dili ko kay we're best friends. We're best friends, I promise. Ako na ibog niya, siya na ibog. I miss you. So, I'm just gonna use. So, margin niya akong red. Kani. I mean, this one only. Wala color. See, it's all. Marag all pink na dyan akong kuan. Hindi na nagani ko sa kumami nga. Marag mag all pink imong kuan. Next na magbay ko mga contour. Only if sagdan ko sa kung. Pero ingon man to siya. Ako sultan. So, little rajod ako iput. Like this. Nag-chat na sila Nasaan ka, Joy? Mangaan sila. Akaw. So far, so good. So, next is this. Uy, ako ulit. Bahala sa tita na sila ipansin. Kaya mo po tayo apil. No. This is lip gloss. Sino ito magdug eyeshadow? My new my new mascara. Yeah, let's do this. Wow. So excited. Sure. It's so small! So, di na lang ako mag-use. Yeah. Guys, wala na ko si Giovanni. Mae. Try. Mag-makeup to. Kailangan na po the story. So guys, naka-dream po di ko guys. When I sleep in sa mong house. Char. It was just me and my friends. It was a lot of kwarto. One by one sila kwarto sa mga kwarto. But ako mga family isn't there. They're on another country. Sure. Start to fix up. Then she was saying, my friend was crying. So, ang hit ko din naman sa school today is, I saying bad words sa mga school. I hate someone saying bad words always. I don't like them. Always saying bad words like, hindi good ng normal people. May pa normal people. Ako sa basket, ano yun, malaag yun. Puro lang siya mga bad words. Suko na lang ko. Please guys, nga taga-basketan maka-hear ani or makakita ani ako. Like, malaag sa basketan. Please, do not be super loud. Like, actually, I can't believe it. So let's fix up and we're going to dance. Sorry guys, I think it's gonna be in part 3. Let's go to part 3.